The End Fund Midterm Report 2023-2024 on intestinal worms and bilharzia indicated a significant reduction in transmission. However, the report also highlighted a high intensity of worms infection among school-going children. The DHIS 2024 report shows that diarrhea among children remains one of the top 10 communicable diseases. As Bungoma County, our toilet coverage stands at 98.2 and 65% in schools. That bilharzia remains a concern in 17 wards in this country, including West Sangalo. I therefore urge the community to stop bathing and swimming in rivers in order to prevent bilharzia transmission. I want to thank the Youth Wash Parliament of Bungoma for being so vocal on X, that is Twitter, and other social media platforms about water, sanitation, hygiene.
Bilharzia tuko na bilharzia mbili. Ya kwanza ni bilharzia ya mkojo. Ya pili ni bilharzia ya kinyesi. Okay? Na area hii, West Sangalo, iko na bilharzia. Because tulifanya utafiti in 2021 na tukapata kwamba this place has bilharzia. Na tena this place has also minyo. Okay? Iyo anapoenda msituni kwa miwa, bile tuko na miwa, naweza enda kwa miwa ama aende kwa kichaka, iyo inabebwa na maji.